What's going on, guys? I haven't seen y'all in wait, it's only been 2 days. Anyways, we haven't done auto in a while, and yeah, we're down here with the Mustang and the truck, and yeah, they're a little bit dirty, wouldn't you say so? I would say so. Hey, that's pretty bad. And a lot of people think that this is black. No, a midnight blue with a freaking flake in it. That's cool, huh? It's like a, I don't know, I think like 70% flake or something crazy. I'm not a painter, so don't ask me. Anyways, we got work on the truck. I know, right? I can't believe it either. I'm working on my truck. But it's time to get this done. I have bigger projects coming. More news at the end of this video, so stay tuned on that. I got great news. Great news. Anyways, let's get started. I have to get the water pump off. I have to wire some stuff in here, and we got to get this thing done by at least December. So pretty much every day from now on, if I can get down here, I'm going to come down here and try to get this done. I'm going to do what I can. My dad has to do a lot more than I can, though. Like, we have to pull the engine back out, like I said. So, first, let's go ahead and set this up. Alright, I turned up the fan, so now I have to take out bolts, and I got to take this off, too. So, let's hop to it. Over there. Complete. Sorry, I had to make sure my camera wasn't just gonna quit recording on me for no freaking reason. Anyways, back to the video. Don't worry, there is a bucket in it. I'm not that stupid, I don't think. Well, at least someone made it into the bucket. You know, my hands are covered in it. Nice. right into the bucket. So I just dropped that literally right in the bucket. Oh great. Oh great. Oh. And that's transmission fluid and freaking antifreeze. Great. Yeah, great. Alright, so I did all that work, and now I decided that I'm come to a point where I can pretty much just cover and spray paint. I think so. I think it'll be pretty good. I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright, so I pretty much almost ran out of time. I'm gonna try to sort through a few of these wires, and yeah, we're gonna try to get that done, but we still have so much to do. We have to get all of this mounted, get these wires. But like I said, we'll be down here every day. We're getting this truck done. I promise that. And then tomorrow, I forgot my drill at home, so I have to come back with the sander and stuff so I can sand that down. And I have to find some chrome remover, or not chrome. I don't want to remove the chrome. Some chrome polisher to polish this. Well, all of this. So that pretty much sums up for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I don't have that much time. With school and homework and tests and all kinds of stuff, it's hard to do this, but I'm getting it done. Anyways, but wait. We still have stuff to talk about. Don't forget that. So I'm not sure if you ever heard of Cletus I forgot how to pronounce his last name. Is it McFleur? I don't know. I've always heard it like Cletus McFartcan or something like that. Anyways, he has Leroy the Savage, right? And I love the engine that's in that. So I'm debating if I want to do that or a Mustang engine in my Mustang. And yeah, I'm gonna have to give you more details when I figure out what I want to do. But first, the next car that I'm getting, that's coming real soon. I finally decided what I want. Well, there's two cars. I'm getting one or the other. But I'm down to the final two cars, and I think I've decided. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, sub, and comment down below of what you think about these videos. Should I come down here every day? You know, whatever. But be sure to tell your moms, tell everybody about me. You know what I mean. And don't forget, 1,000 sub giveaway is going down still. So be sure to be one of my 1,000 subscribers so you can get the special gift that's coming to you. And yeah, so I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!